Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a weak golf grip. First, understand that a weak grip often leads to slices and a loss of power. To begin, ensure your lead hand, for a right-handed golfer, is positioned correctly on the club. The club should run diagonally across your fingers, not straight across your palm. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong, consistent swing. Once your lead hand is set, place your trail hand on the club. For a right-handed golfer, your right hand should cover your left thumb. The lifeline of your trail hand should sit directly on top of your lead thumb. When you look down, you should see 2 to 3 knuckles on your lead hand. This setup promotes a powerful, connected swing. Now let's talk about grip pressure. You want a light, consistent hold, like holding a tube of toothpaste without squeezing any out. Your hands should feel connected, working as one unit. Avoid gripping the club too tightly, as this creates tension and restricts your swing. A relaxed grip allows for better clubhead speed and control throughout your swing. To solidify your new, stronger grip, consistent practice is essential. Spend time each day holding the club correctly, even without swinging. Use simple drills like making slow practice swings to build muscle memory. This repetition will make the proper grip feel natural over time. Remember, consistency is key. Also, for those looking to enhance their practice, check the description for links to excellent golf training aids and other deals. These tools can significantly accelerate your progress and help solidify your improved grip. Keep practicing, and you'll see better results on the course very soon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.